Okay, so now the question that I want you to answer is, how do we know that these variables represent the subject of the study? Well, the answer is we don't know. Or better to say, we don't know for sure or for certain or 100%. The thing is, whatever we do is coming from a perspective, a scientific perspective or a theory. Okay? And if we are not aware of that scientific perspective or theory, then it doesn't mean that it is not there. It means that we are leaving, we have grasped this understanding from our environment, and we are not aware of it. Explicitly, we don't know about it. So either it is coming from a very explicit theory, or it is coming from a convention, which means that it is coming from an implicit theory or perspective. But at the end, you might ask, okay, why not measuring or recording the eye color of the squirrels? Adding a new column here called eye color. Why not adding the length of whiskers? Why don't we measure the length of the whiskers? Well, as I said, we don't know. They might be related actually. And if we figure out that the length of whisker is very, very closely related to the health, somehow when they are happy, they have longer whiskers. When they are not in a good health, they have shorter whiskers or fewer number of whiskers or something like this. Then if we have found a new thing in nature. This is how science expands, by finding new relations or new association. I will come back to this new relation and association later, by the end of this set of lectures. But for now, it's enough. And let's come back to our data set. And let's give a proper definition. So a data set is a set of variables. These are the variables. This is a set of variables: ID, length, weight, color, gender, and health, and their values regarding the understudy cases. So these are cases: case 1, case 2, case 3, case 4. This is variable 1, variable 2, variable 3, variable 4, variable 5, variable 6. And they have been arranged and recorded, so first recorded, then arranged in a way that every case is represented by one record and every variable is represented by one column, and every value is the corresponding variable value of that specific case. So it is very, very important to know and to master the definition and the arrangement of a standard dataset in our module.